is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, check out this one. Y'all, this one will be perfect to make a little something right here in the center. All right, let's pick out some ribbons for it. I kind of want to use this on here, but it's so big. Can I steal just a piece of it? All right, so I'm gonna take it. Y'all, I'm gonna bend some of my leaves up and out and all around. All right, y'all, I'm gonna position this right at an angle, right across the cross, okay? So let me bend this back around. You know what, I'm just gonna make that shorter. All right, so up here at the top, I'm gonna use a little zip tie and make it permanent. All right, so I've got that side wired. Now I'm gonna bring it right across the other side. Y'all, I think it's gonna be hard to hide the zip tie at the top and the bottom. So instead of using a zip tie at the bottom, I'm gonna grab some floral wire. And I'm gonna just twist that floral wire right around the stem. Then I'm gonna work it through our grapevine. Maybe. All right. Trim this shorter and just tie it off in the back. All right, so you can see, no you can't. You can see all I did was went from this side to this side and I just attached that in there. All right, I'm gonna put the bright red glitter towards the back. Let's get ourselves a little tail, about 8 inches. Give it a good twist. All right, so we measured out about 9 inches. We're gonna pull that one down to the bottom. We're gonna measure out about 6 inches. So this is a pretty small space, so we don't wanna like make a giant bow. So we made our first little layer. Y'all, we're gonna measure out our little 8-inch, give it a good twist. We're gonna go about 5.5 inches on this loop. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna grab a little burlap that's got greens and reds in it to kind of pull the burlap color from the cross back into our bow. All right, so our loops are just a little bit smaller. All right, we're gonna tighten this up. Let it fluff itself out. Y'all, I'm gonna get this bow positioned right in the center. So I'm gonna attempt to poke that pipe cleaner through that burlap. I can feel it on the other side, but it doesn't want to come through. Get this one tied off. Y'all, I'm gonna trim this down just a little bit. Curl those wires in. Y'all, but look, because it's on the burlap and it's not there's nothing right here to support it, right? So as flexible as this is, your bow's gonna sag a little bit. So we need to plug in our glue gun. Y'all, I'm gonna be honest. I want just a little bit more in here. So I'm gonna grab a pine. And I'm gonna cut a few pieces off this pine. To work underneath our bow. So I just cut off the very tip, and then I can work that tip into our bow. And then we'll just have that little bit of extra texture. And it just needs a little bit of something to make it super cute. All right, so I'm gonna take this little bit, just get a little bit of hot glue in there. And I'm just gonna work these right around our bow, just to give it another layer of texture. Look how cute.